Okay, everybody, we are here at the I-80 truck stop in Davenport or Walcott, Iowa, and we are getting a massage right now in the massage chair. 45-minute massage. Got about 10 minutes left. Really enjoying it. It's definitely working the kinks out of me. So they have a ministry for drivers on Sunday, and starts at 9 a.m. This is the second floor of the truck stop. They have a third floor also, as you can see. They have the movie theater, showers, Road King kiosk. That's where the drivers can access their showers. Laundry facilities. Chiropractor is here. He's not here today. And then they have seating all along here for drivers to meditate or just to get away from their truck. Books to read, 2 bookshelves, and then pictures on the wall. You try to make it as homey as possible. You got to remember, a lot of these drivers are on the road because most of them don't have any place else to go. Their truck is their home. I've met a couple of them that work for the company that gave up their houses and live in the truck full time. And when they do go home to see family, they go stay in a hotel, or they'll go out to a beach resort and stay for a week and then hit the road again.